When you set up your Staff.Wiki portal, the system would have created a user entry for yourself as a support staff. If your company or organization has more than just one employee, you'll likely want to add more staff than that. So let's look at how you add more users to Staff.Wiki. While you are logged in, as an administrator or user manager, go to the Users tab at the top. This will take you to your own user profile, but it'll provide a link to go to the list of all users. Once on that screen, you can click the plus icon to add a new user. The new user screen will ask you some information about the user, along with selecting the primary role of the user. Out of these options, the user ID field will be the name they use to log into the system. Keep this short, without any spaces, so it's easy to remember. Specify a temporary password, their name and email address. The other options are optional, but you can provide them if you like. The settings below that relate to the user's permissions. The primary role is where you'll specify what kind of user they are. A help desk user will help answer questions about policies or other articles. You can also designate users to be user managers. These are special users who will be able to add or delete users to the system. The checkbox only sees their tickets should be set to yes for all staff, who should be able to see tickets that aren't their own. Regular users will typically have this set to yes, but managers would have it set to no. There's also a checkbox for whether they are able to add new articles to the wiki, known as the Wiki Manager. Anybody who will be creating new policies and procedures articles should be a wiki manager. The Daily Reminders option specifies whether you will receive daily emails with details of any assignments you may have in the system. If you don't want to see any daily reminders, then set this to none. Another important setting is the Manager option. Here you can select the user's manager. This can be used for checklists, where you can assign a checklist entry to the user's manager, perhaps for approving something. All of these options can be updated at any time, so don't worry if you don't have all this information right now. When you're done setting up your user, click OK to add the user to the system. If you have many users, you may want to consider getting the Staff.Wiki Professional Edition. This edition can connect to your own Active Directory server and create user records automatically, which can save you a lot of time. For more information, contact us on the Staff.Wiki website.